Best Sport Compact Cars for 2024-2023 BMW M3. As an expert advisor in the automotive industry, it's my pleasure to delve into the realm of sport compact cars and provide insights into the highly anticipated 2023 BMW M3, a vehicle that undoubtedly commands attention and admiration among enthusiasts and casual drivers alike. The BMW M3 has long been hailed as a benchmark in the sport compact segment, and the 2023 iteration continues this illustrious legacy with a host of enhancements and innovations. At the heart of the 2023 BMW M3 lies a formidable powertrain engineered to deliver uncompromising performance. Propelling this dynamic machine is a high-revving 3.0-liter inline-six engine featuring BMW's M twin-power turbo technology. This potent powerplant churns out a remarkable 503 horsepower and 479 lb-ft of torque, ensuring blistering acceleration and exhilarating driving dynamics that are synonymous with the M3 nameplate. Paired with either a 6-speed manual transmission for purists or an 8-speed automatic transmission for those seeking seamless shifts, the M3 offers a driving experience tailored to individual preferences. The transmission's precision and responsiveness, coupled with BMW's renowned rear-wheel drive architecture, imbue the M3 with unparalleled agility and handling prowess, allowing drivers to carve through corners with confidence and precision. In terms of design, the 2023 BMW M3 exudes an aura of athleticism and sophistication. Its muscular proportions, aggressive front fascia, and distinctive M-specific accents make a bold statement on the road, while aerodynamic enhancements such as the M-specific grille and rear spoiler optimize airflow and enhance performance. The M3's exterior design not only embodies BMW's commitment to form-following function but also reflects the vehicle's formidable performance capabilities. Step inside the cabin of the 2023 BMW M3, and you're greeted with a harmonious blend of luxury and technology. Premium materials such as merino leather upholstery, carbon fiber trim, and aluminum accents create an ambience of opulence, while advanced features like BMW's Live Cockpit Professional, Gesture Control, and M-specific driving modes elevate the driving experience to new heights of sophistication and connectivity. Furthermore, the 2023 BMW M3 boasts an array of cutting-edge safety and driver assistance systems, including lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, and automatic emergency braking, ensuring both peace of mind and enhanced driving confidence. In conclusion, the 2023 BMW M3 represents the pinnacle of performance and luxury in the sport compact car segment. With its potent powertrain, dynamic handling, and advanced technology, the M3 sets a new standard for excellence and reaffirms BMW's commitment to pushing the boundaries of automotive innovation. Whether on the track or the open road, the BMW M3 promises an exhilarating driving experience that is sure to leave a lasting impression on enthusiasts and drivers alike.